Hey guys, this is Peter. Today I want to talk about camera bags. For the last couple of years I've been using this. This is the Mindshift Gear Backlight 26L. Great backpack, kind of outdoor styled pack. Holds a lot of equipment, which is a good thing and can be a bad thing because when you have that extra capacity you feel the need to use it. So my friends over at Think Tank Photo sent me one of their new Backlight 13s to try out. A little bit smaller pack, so I've been using this for a while, like it, so I thought we'd go over the pack and give you my impressions of it. So when I'm looking at a bag, I like backpacks. I prefer back opening, so the part that's against your back is where it opens. That way when you lay it down on the ground, this part is against the ground, not the back. This can often be a little bit sweaty, picks up dirt, makes a mess of your shirt. Because you get the grit in there, it can be rough on your clothes and on the bag. So this is that back opening style, and then also has a top opening, which I'll show you a little bit later. Let's run through what's on this bag. On the front you have a small pocket here that could be used for travel documents, passport, plane tickets, that sort of thing, or your wallet. You have a front pocket that will hold a 13-inch laptop, I believe it's a 10-inch tablet, some pens and other stuff, and then has a deep pocket that you can use for whatever. It also has this mesh pocket with a key retainer. On the top we have the tie down for a tripod, and then on the bottom you have the corresponding tie down and cup that comes out, like a lot of Think Tank bags. Sides have water bottle pockets. There isn't a tie on the top to tie a tripod to the side if you wanted to carry it that way. And then this top opening will allow you access into the top of the compartment so you can grab your camera. There's also a small mesh pocket up here that you could fit any little accessories in. Moving around to the back, we have nice padded straps. We have a belt that is removable. There's small plastic clips on here. You can see the clip with a wire bail to keep it on. That system works pretty nicely. You have the sternum strap. These come right off if you don't want to use them. And then have a little click to hold in place. And then opening up the back here, before I do that, then there's also a strap that would go over your luggage handle. Opening up, on the back we have a couple of pockets that could be used for filters, card wallets, etc. And then the inside is a fairly standard Think Tank interior with the heavy sides, dividers across all of these. Comes with a seam sealed rain cover, of course. I have this set up so I can fit my D850 up here. Z50 goes down here. Couple extra lenses and stuff. My Lens Baby equipment can go in this side. And then a little pocket up here for a GoPro. So all in all, this is a really nice bag for use around town, for a travel bag when you need to go smaller. They do also make this in the BackStory 15, which would hold a 15-inch laptop and a little bit more equipment. I hope you found that helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment below. Check the description below. I'll put links in for Think Tank. If you buy through that link, I do get a small commission on it, but you'll get a free gift. And for Lens Baby, if you use that, you'll get 10% off. And again, I get a small commission off of that. Hope you found that helpful. If you did, please take a moment to like the video and consider subscribing and hitting that bell so that you're notified when I post new videos. Until next time, get out there and create something beautiful.